Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Pi Developer channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to name variables and the rules we need to follow when creating them. Let's get started. The rules for naming variables in Python are very simple. Let's go through them one by one. Rule 1. A variable cannot start with a number. For example, one name equals Alex. As you can see, red line or an error appears under the variable. It means this name is not valid. To fix it, we can move the number to the end. Name1 equals Alex. Now it works correctly. Rule 2. Variable names cannot contain spaces. For example, user space name equals John. This is not valid in Python. Instead of spaces, we usually use camel case or underline between the words. Camel case means writing multiple words without spaces and starting each new word with a capital letter. For example, name and surname. So the correct version should be username equals John. Or user_name equals John. Both styles work in Python. Rule 3. Hyphens are not allowed in variable names. For example, user-age equals 29. This is not correct. Instead, we should write user-age equals 29 or user_age equals 29. And the last one is, we cannot use Python keywords in variables. For example, class equals 22 or if equals 23. These words are reserved keywords in Python, and they are used for special purposes in language. Be careful. In Python, variables are case-sensitive. It means age with a small a and age with capital A are two completely different variables. The most common style in Python is using underscores between words, which is called snake_case, like age_control equals 18. Also, always use meaningful names for your variables. This becomes very important when you're working with a team. You need to share your code, and others should understand the name of the variables correctly, or even when you come back to your code later. Alright, that's it for this video. Now you know the main rules for naming variables in Python and how to choose clear and meaningful variable names. Following these rules will help you write cleaner and more readable code. In the next video, we're going to learn about operators in Python and how we can use them to perform calculations and comparisons in our programs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next lessons in this Python series. See you in the next video.